Hello everyone, myself Sushma. I have completed my BE in Computer Science from Bobble College of Engineering. I joined Qspider in 2019, January, and I got placed in Test Yantra with a good package. This happens because of a Qspider, so I thankful to Qspider. So I suggest everyone to join Qspider because Qspider is a very good institute, training institute, and to learn technical skills, it is a good platform. Your placements are very good, and wherein students from any course or any background or any branches, they are going to be placed very easily. So that I suggest everyone to join Qspider. Here faculty are very supportive and interactive, and they are conduct mock interviews and presentations for the upcoming interviews. So I suggest everyone to join Qspider, those who get confidence and encouraged to grow your career. Thank you so much, Qspider, for placing me in a test Tantra company with a good package. I'm mainly thankful to HRs. They are very supportive and interactive with us to placed in MNC companies. Thank you so much.